Hey everyone, this is Shirley. This is Jamming with Yarn, and this is another episode of Deliberate Cooking. I like to just give you a quick preview of what I'm making. This is my own putting together the items that I have, and the first item is because it was going bad. Oh my goodness! I'll tell you, when you eat naturally, you gotta eat fast because it goes bad quick. Mung bean sprouts. So let me sit this over here. So what I did was I boiled them for, or blanched them for like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, then I have here some vegetables that I chopped up: red peppers, green peppers, I think this is zucchini, I think that's what that is, a yellow pepper, and this is some fennel. I also have some of my sok joy right here, and I put some crushed pepper in it, and what else did I put in there? I think it's just crushed pepper, little olive oil, and I'm going to use some ghee. I'm going to put this in the stir fryer, and I don't have any particular type of sauce to put on it because I don't know what you would, but anyway, I'm going to stir fry all this, and this is going to be dinner for tonight. Okay, so this looks pretty good, y'all. What I'm going to do is I have this dish here. I'm going to sit all this on this dish. And then what's in here, let's put this back on the fire. Make sure that there is no start a fire. Okay, put that back on there. And let's put in our soy duck, and then later it will be our mung sprouts. That was it. So let's just put this in. Let that do whatever it do, because you guys know I normally fry this, so like fry it, but this is my first time stir frying it, so I'm gonna let that cook. I don't know how long it needs to cook, but I'm gonna let that cook for a little while. Turn around. We're gonna dump everything back in here, put a little soy sauce in it. That will be the less sodium soy sauce, and hope that it has a great taste. Okay, so I added just a little bit of hot water to this. I don't know what it's supposed to look like, so we're going to go on to the next step. We're going to put the vegetables back in there. And on top of that, we're now going to add our mung strings. Hands are clean. Always wash your hands. Dump that over there. I think I'm going to need a fork to play with this. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Let that get a little, I don't know. Anyway, that's what it looked like. Okay, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you have not subscribed, please do. Please put on the notification on all, and definitely come back again to see what I'm whipping up. I never know. I always like to try something new, but right now, when I'm really hungry, I'll just think of what I can put together and what I have. But I tell you, these vegetables, you gotta eat them quick because they go bad really fast, and I'm not eating them quick enough. Okay, you guys, I think that should be ready. What do you think? To me, it looked like it's ready. What should it look like? I don't know. I never made it before. Ha ha ha. That's the question. Don't know what it looked like. So I'm going to put all this on this plate. is sticking off. I do not like this wok. I gotta get a better wok. I think this one was on sale. Of course, I always go what's on sale because you'd be surprised sometimes. Some of the stuff you get on sale turn out to be really good. But half of the time, it's junk. So I cut that off. Excuse this mess. So now this is how it looked. There's no extra salt added. I got some sesame seeds, white and black. I'm going to put that on top. And this is dinner. Okay, so I am going to get me a little bit and tell you how it tastes. Hopefully it's good. Okay, back on the side where I have a little bit more space, and when I say little, I mean a little bit. I have no space. This apartment, it has no counter space whatsoever. So those who have good counter space, I am happy for you. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. And that's all that butter. I didn't put any salt or pepper on it. And actually, I am fixing my plate. I don't want too many of those noodles. I really don't want that much soy, but I should have put more vegetables in it. I had 2 of these things here I could have put in there. So you guys, let's see what this tastes like. It looks pretty. Okay, I don't have a taste tester today. So I'm going to take a little of this and a little of that. And hopefully a little bit of that soy here. One for you. Now let me try it. Sorry. It's good. It's really good. I put a little bit too much pepper flakes on that chicken when I was that jock soy. A little hot to the lip. But I think if you have some kind of you know, I don't eat teriyaki and all that stuff. But you definitely could add teriyaki to it. Excuse me. And give you a really good flavor to it. Right now mine is more the hot pepper, the crushed pepper flakes. But this is a winner. Presentation is beautiful. Texture is great. Taste is lovely. Just I have to find some kind of sauce that I may want to drizzle on it, like maybe, I don't know. I'm not a cook, so I don't know. I'm not even gonna try. But until next time, you guys, try to eat as healthy as you can, as often as you can, and do the best that you can in life. We're all trying to just live our daily life. Also, my doctor appointment turned out very good. I'm happy. I got a great doctor. Turned out very good. My blood pressure, everything was beautiful, and I'm very happy. So you guys, thank you for staying with me, and this eating is helping me with that, to take care of that inside. Okay, now, bye-bye.